Hello friends, this is a video from BMW e63, 10 cylinders, and we just took out the starter motor out to check if it was working, because it was not starting. So outside the engine, the starter works very well. It is screwed with 3 screws. One is in the middle, in the upper side, and 2 on the both sides of the starter. So this is the not the easiest way, but this is the difficult part, because you need some special tools we made here. I'm going to show you in a while the tools. For this you use this e14, and we make this thing here, so we can adapt a tool like this. So for taking the middle screw in the middle of the starter out. Of course, you have to take all the intake manifolds and disconnect all the injectors and everything, and the spark plugs connections. And it's a lot of work, but with a little bit of patience, you can do it.